This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you practice, your drawings just don't improve fast enough? Frustrating, right? But what if I told you about a secret rule that can change everything? A rule that most artists never learn. But once you do, you'll be able to improve faster than you ever thought possible. What's the secret? How does it work? And why doesn't anyone talk about it? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and how to use it in your own practice to level up your drawings. When I was starting out as an artist, all I wanted was to draw amazing characters. But no matter how many sketches I did, I just wasn't improving. Proportions were off, poses felt stiff, and every my attempt ended in frustration. Then one day I found the answer in the most unexpected place: video games.
Pay attention and you can learn a lot.
Yeah. Let me explain. When I was a kid, I played a lot of RPG games, and every time I had the same problem. I could create beautiful face for my characters, but only from the front view. And with every new character, I couldn't feel any progress. The same thing happened in my drawings. I could draw a basic standing pose and the character's face looking straight ahead. But the moment I tried to tilt the head or draw a dynamic pose, everything fell apart. And I didn't realize that the solution was hidden in a single mouse gesture. So what's the secret? If you dream of drawing for a living, the best way to begin is to create a beautiful portfolio and start taking commissions to earn your first money. And you can easily do this with today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform for creatives. Whether you're just starting your art journey or already have experience, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful portfolio, sell your art products and take commissions, all in one place. I love how simple it is to build a website. Choose a template, customize it and add features to fit your needs. For example, with Squarespace you can easily open an online store and sell your art products across the world. And my favorite feature is that you can sell prints with your own artworks. Check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you are ready to launch your website, go to squarespace.com/Arseni to save 10% off your first purchase of website or domain. So what's the secret rule that will help you learn drawing much faster? Let's start with this. Most beginners don't realize they are learning the wrong way. Here is what typically happens. You try to draw something complex, like a character, and you fail. Then you hear practice basic shapes first. So you sketch some cubes, spheres, maybe a cylinder, but when you go back to drawing the character, it still doesn't work. Why? The mistake is here, in the basic shapes themselves. If you draw a cube from one angle, then you only understand it in this specific position. And if you ask to use it in other angles, your drawing will fall apart. That's where our mouse gesture comes in. Now think about it. In the game, when I started to rotate the character model, I began to see how the forms worked in space, and constructing a beautiful character became much easier. And this is exactly what you need in your drawings. So how do we actually use this to improve faster? The secret rule is in changing your approach. And the next 3 steps will show you exactly how to do this. Let's start with the first. Step 1. Every time you practice drawing a primitive, don't just stick to the same view. Try to explore the shape in new ways. Tilt it, turn it up and down, draw it from different perspectives. The goal is to study the shape completely. Here is what happens. By doing this, you skip the trial and error phase that most artists get stuck in, saving hours of wasted practice, because simply you start to feel these shapes with your spatial awareness. And this is the perfect foundation for the next step. If you want to progress faster and get an actual structure for your studies, check out my free digital art workbook, the link in the description. Step 2. Here is the question. How do you take something as complex as leg and make it feel natural? Most beginners get stuck. The key is studying the leg as a whole. By breaking it down into basic building blocks and drawing it from multiple angles, you gain a complete understanding of its form. After this practice, you'll be able to confidently draw this part of the body in any pose. Wait, but what happens if you want to draw a whole dynamic character? Step 3. Now that you've studied separate parts of the body, drawing the entire character becomes much easier. Does your character bend their arm? Perfect! You already studied the basic blocks of the arm and trained to draw it from every angle. So it's no longer a challenge. And here is the trick. By breaking things down into these steps, you save hours of frustration. But it's just the beginning. I show how to draw dynamic characters using this method in the next video. So watch it next.